Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can stop sharing browsing history with other Apple devices. Well, it's quite an easy process, so let's dive right into it. First of all, get to the settings, and from here, tap on your profile, and from here, tap on iCloud. So after tapping on iCloud here, tap on See All option that you can see right here. And from here, now scroll down and you can see Safari right here. Tap on this toggle button and turn it off just like this. Now you'll get a option of keep on my iPhone or delete from my iPhone. You want your Safari, so tap on keep on my iPhone. And just like this, Safari won't be sharing your browser history with your other Apple devices. So if you want to be sure about it, you can again get back and go to the general option. Here on the general settings, we're going to now tap on AirPlay and continuity. And from here, turn off handoff just like this. And we are now double sure about your browsing history not being shared with your other Apple devices. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.